Look at that. We'll go down here first or last?
Let's go first.
Okay, let's go down to the bottom first. Wow. There's some more that way too. Okay, last place, I believe, in Una National Park. We are here to see Martin Broad, or the Great Una Falls. Oh, they have a welcoming dog here. Hello. Hello, doggy. Get your phone.
Yep.
So we are here to see the falls, which should just be a short walk up here. Up this way. It's like some caves. Kind of cool. Have a peek in here. Wow. And it just kind of stops there. Nice and cool in there. Slapovi u Martin Brodu. The waterfalls in Martin Broad. What's up? Oh, another set of caves. I didn't even see that. Another set of caves. Wow. Ooh, this one goes down in. Sneak it. Huh? There's our dog friend. Aiming for pets. A little water wheel or something there. I think everybody gets a welcome dog when they come into town here. Oh, looks like we have to pay.
On the way back from,
You have money?
yeah. We had 2 on the way back from the grocery store last night. 2 doggies.
Anybody in there? No.
Hello. You want to go to the falls?
Yes, this way. Let me go for 8 tickets.
Okay. Do you take Kunas? Kunas?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How much is it?
Okay, 6 months.
6. And how much in Kunas?
5. Time.
Card?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no card. Yes.
Okay. I only have Kunas. Okay. Thank you.
That's this way? Well, why is the gate here? This way?
This way, yes.
Oh, okay. I hear it down there.
That's why the gate's there to block you.
We have marks now.
He gave us marks
Leaving
back.
Kunas, and we got marks back.
Cool.
So we have 4 marks. Gave him 10
Kunas.
Kunas and got.
I don't know. I think we made money there.
Marks.
We might have made money.
Yeah, I'm very confused. I don't know what the translation is there.
I can hear the falls.
Or maybe that wasn't. I don't know. Maybe the guy paid us back in marks. Maybe that was a mark. Remember, because we paid Kunas
Oh,
and he gave us cash. Maybe that was a 10 mark.
yeah, maybe
That
it
might
was.
have been a 10 mark because
That's probably what it was.
Because it was 6 marks that we had to pay just then, and he gave us 4 back. So
Yeah.
I guarantee you that was a 10
You must,
mark.
yeah, you must have had a mark and not known it.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
He was like, no, I want that.
Look at that.
Wow.
We'll go down here first or last?
Go first.
Okay, let's go down to the bottom first. Wow. There's some more that way too. There's mist coming off. Woo!
Definitely getting wet.
Oh, there's a bridge that goes over. You're definitely gonna get wet going up there. Well, let's get up to the top. We can see the whole thing. It's a 54-meter drop. 800 meters of falls. So those are some powerful falls. But up to the side here, there's something else. I think it's, I don't know if it's an overlook or what. I think this is supposed to be an old water mill. I don't know if it's flour mill. Flour mill up here. They use the water to grind the flour. Oh wow. Oh, looks like a tour group. So there's a creek. Sure, it's up here somewhere. Let's walk around a little bit further and see if we see anything.
People can't drive up here. Is that right?
There might be a back way this way. If we come up that other road.
Yeah.
Maybe this is it. Yeah, it looks like the mill in there. Oh, here's the sign. "30 meters that way." Must be this. Oh, we're done.
We're looking for the mill.
Yeah, this way. Eco washing machine and water mill. But you must pay for presentation. Eco washing.
Okay.
We'll just look.
Okay, it's no problem.
Yeah.
You go now.
Yeah.
Fresh water. Ooh, there's people like beer school.
Oh wow, look at that. No? I don't think we're supposed to go in anyway.
Feel that. coolness of
Yeah. The water from the stream come down through there. And it looks like up there it would go through. They divert it through to power the mill. And they keep cans of Coke or beer cold right there. Yeah, beer. Yeah, just keep it cold. For the kids, you know.
That's one mark per
Yeah.
presentation.
So I think that is it for our time here in Una National Park. We're going to hit the road and head back into Croatia now. And we're going to look to hit up Krka later this afternoon. So we're going to drive to Krka, and that'll be in the next video, I'm sure. So if you like this video, make sure you like it. Comment if you have any comments or questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. We got plenty more coming. And we'll see you next time.